Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting camera permission and opening Google Lens inside the Google app or Google Photos. This gives Lens the sensors it needs. Tap the Lens icon to activate the viewfinder, then frame the object close enough to capture details but not so close you blur edges. Once done, make sure lighting is adequate, and switch to macro or back camera if needed. Steady your phone and tap to focus so Lens can read text, colors, or shapes accurately. You now capture and refine. Tap the shutter or let Lens auto-detect an element. After capture, choose the mode: text to copy, translate for language, shopping for products, or search for facts, because each mode runs different recognition models. Use the selection handles to crop the area you care about, highlight words, or tap similar items. This narrows results and speeds up matching. If results seem off, try a wider shot, alternate angles, or enable higher resolution. You finish by reviewing Lens cards, web links, product prices, translation text, or knowledge panels that explain what was found. Tap a card to open sources, follow shopping links, or copy extracted text. This is where you act on the information. If Lens misidentifies the subject, retry with a clearer shot, better lighting, or a different angle, and make sure the lens glass is clean. These fixes resolve most errors quickly, so you get accurate, useful results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.